Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Nunchuk's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Nunchuk's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Nunchuk Wallet application. The home page of Nunchuk application will appear on the screen. Click on profile icon at the bottom right corner of the page. On the next page, click on sign in option. Enter your email address and password associated with your Nunchuk's account and tap on sign in. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your password, click on forgot password option. In case if you want your ID to be remembered next time you log in, tick mark on the box that says stay signed in. This is how you can log into your Nunchuk Wallet's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.